All right, so we're gonna try Tom Green's Flippy thing.
This trick's called the Flippy thing.
All right, Tom Green's got this skate trick. It's called the Flippy thing. Here it is. So the way he explains it, it's like a boneless variation.
It's a boneless trick.
And it like wraps around his hand, and then he grabs it with the other hand.
Foot down, grab it here. As you run, make a 360 rotation with the hand. Here's the trick. Here's what makes it different right here. Here's the thing. At this point, release the board with your hand. See? Release the grip and let the board roll around the back of your hand. Grabbing it again, turning it, and then transferring it to the other hand. See?
So we're gonna try it out and see if we can get it.
You go like this, transferring it and passing it. See? Again, up and grab and turn and transfer and leap. Leap. Shove it under your foot and jump, okay?
No! How big was that?
Just like that, see?
Once you get up, you're fucking up.
And that's the Tom Green Flippy thing with a flip, back shove.
That's it for my trick tips. The Flippy thing. Peace out.